These are some elevators with GAL and Adam SurvivorPlus fixtures at UPMC Presbyterian in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. What's very interesting is the hall stations are GAL, the ADA panel right here is GAL, but this panel's Adam SurvivorPlus by Schindler. We'll go up to 11. Here, go up. Obviously, that's newer, I think. Whoa. Got a weird floor passing chime. Sounds like a computer. Got the beep and that chime. Here, 11. Someone called it.
I don't think anybody did.
I don't know. We'll go back down to 1.
It's coming.
Okay. 88 phone. The 1 has a weird stuff. SnapCabs, basic SnapCabs. Hello, big brother. PA elevators. Have you ridden these before?
Oh yeah, a couple times.
Oh, interesting.
During the week, they're extremely busy.
Stopping at 3. Let's just get off here. Close this one. It's gonna be up.